Good day. Well, today I got in a diesel heater, but not just a diesel heater. It's a diesel heater that also heats water. So I'm hoping I can hook it up to my shower and heat the water as I'm also heating the cabin. Additional heat. So let's do a little unboxing here and see what's in the box. A box in a box. Intelligent parking fuel air heater. Little manual. Huh. That's a pretty big fuel tank. Looks probably 10 liters. So that'll be good. What else we got in here? Another box. Let's get this big one out of the way. I think this is probably the diesel heater itself. Let's see. Okay, here's a bunch of components. This is the exhaust hose. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll have to figure it out. Oh, looks like a fuel line. Yeah, fuel line. Wire harness. Another wire harness. The vent. This is a T connector. Imagine for the fuel. Oh, that's probably for the water. Yeah. This is for air intake. Lots of fuel line. Muffler. Another T fitting. Must be for venting. Somehow, because these seems to go together. I'm gonna have to figure this out. We've got a fuel filter and connectors and pressure clamps. Another fitting of some sort. And this is for air intake. That would go on to the air here. Flexible vent hose, that's for the vent, that's for the air discharge. Wow, a lot of parts. More fittings. Uh, 24-volt water pump. I hope that's not going to be a problem. I did request 12 volt, but maybe get an adapter. Must be an adapter for it, hopefully. Or I'll figure it out. Bunch of ties. Some sort of a plate. Maybe to hold everything together, I guess. I don't know. Get that out of the way. This is probably the diesel heater itself. Whoa, heavy. Pretty heavy unit. Look at that baby. That's beautiful. What do we got here? Fuel diesel model GR106. Rated voltage 24 volts. Heat power 7 kilowatt. So I need 24 volts for it. But you can tell it's a very good construction. And you can see this is, I don't know if you know anything about diesel heaters, but this one, normally you have your air intake and your exhaust. But then we got water in and water out. Because there's a coil that goes around inside the chamber, or on the outside of the heating chamber. And then it's going to circulate through my water tank, which I pump into for my shower. So that's going to be awesome. Okay, yeah, this is the fuel filter. Power connection. Sorry, this would be the fuel pump. Fuel pump. I'm learning as I go also. It's my first time working with one of these. So that's good. And what do we got here? Oh, control module. Adjust temperatures. Yeah, it's very well built by the looks of it. A lot of parts. It looks like it might be a little overwhelming at first, but one step at a time and I'll get it installed. Okay, so this is kind of an unboxing video. On the next video, I'll show you the process of when I actually install it. I'm going to have it going over here. I don't know if you've seen in my last videos, I finished off my shower area, tiled everything, installed this door, repurposed. Tiles are from BC. When I moved, I brought 3 boxes of tiles, and I tiled this. Turned out pretty good. Sealed around the window, and I even tiled inside the window frame. And see, it's all sealed up. But anyway, there's my water storage tank right now. And right now I just heat water and dump it in, and then I pump it up through my shower. This is a hot water, well, not necessarily hot water, but for inside a pool, remote thermostat, or in a hot tub. So right now it's floating in my storage tank, and it's only 8.1 degrees Celsius, which is not warm enough for me. It's got to be about 30 for a shower. This is the room temperature, 15.4, and this is the humidity. So that's pretty handy. So yeah. So we'll get this all figured out on the next video, and hopefully I can get myself some hot water. I don't know if anyone out there has used one of these. Let me know. And we'll catch you on the next video. Don't be a stranger.